The lynx is a wildcat species found in various parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and Asia. There are several different species of lynx, including the Eurasian lynx, the Canadian lynx, and the Iberian lynx, among others. Lynx are medium-sized cats, typically weighing between 18 and 24 kilograms, 40 to 53 pounds, and measuring around 80 to 100 centimeters, 31 to 39 inches in length. They are easily recognized by their distinctive tufted ears, short tail, and spotted fur. Lynx are solitary animals and are most active at dawn and dusk, although they may also be active during the day or at night. They are carnivores and primarily hunt small to medium-sized prey such as rodents, hares, and birds. Lynx are important predators in their ecosystems and play a key role in maintaining healthy populations of prey species.